will make paksiw, this organic eggplants and green chilies with garlics, onions, and ginger with homemade bagoong isda. So, I will make this one because there is some thorn here in homemade anchovies bagoong isda. You see, as you can see. You see. Then we have now to put this onions, garlics, ginger. I make paksiw, Ilocano version. And then to be followed by organic garlics, eggplants. You see, eggplants very nice. Oh. No more karab or no more, wala bang sira. Oh. So, later on I will put salt here. So, we'll have to cover it. Where is the cover? Now we'll check. I put also vinegar because this is paksiw. So, I put little vinegar. This is enough vinegar. My paksiw. And I cook also he-goats, yung kurbani namin na he-goats for them, for my husband, for Langga, for Fahad and Fatma. Then I put also 2 pieces of eggplant, organic eggplant, because my husband maybe he don't like this paksi because I put bagoong isda. So that's why I put for my husband this eggplant here. For me, this one enough for my paksiw. This is paksiw for me. This is enough for me with white rice. Now let's check my paksiw. So this is already cooked. I did not put salt here because this homemade bagoong isda is salty, so no need to put salt, and gravy soup is enough. So we have to turn off now the flame. And I'm cooking rice also for dinner, and then I have to make chapati for them, and this is already cooked. Mutton clay with 2 pieces eggplants. Now making chapati for them. Fatma, maybe she want to eat rice with this mutton clay or mutton adobo, similar to adobo. So this one rice I make already is done. This is I make chapati. Daily making chapati, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Tumatahol yung aso namin, si Tiger. This for our dinner, this mutton clay or adobo. But this chapati only for dinner, and for my rice or dinner until tomorrow lunch, because breakfast we are eating what you call this, paratha. Instead of chapati, paratha. for breakfast. And for my paksiw until tomorrow lunch. Let's eat dinner, everyone. White rice with Ilocano version paksiw, organic eggplants, and green chilies with some garlics, onions, ginger, and vinegar, and some water with bagoong isda.